the State of Connecticut, the Department of Homeland Security, and the Department of Civil Defense have ordered an immediate evacuation of the state of Connecticut. Civil authorities in the state of Connecticut have issued an immediate statewide evacuation on February 1, 2005, until further notice. At this time, you are advised to tune to a local television or radio station for more information regarding evacuations. This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Residents of the state of Connecticut are ordered to evacuate immediately. During this emergency, please do not use your telephone, as phone lines should be kept open for emergency purposes. Tune to a local television or radio station for information on an evacuation center near you. If you are unable to evacuate on your own, some evacuation centers are providing transportation services. This is the emergency alert system. At this time, a required evacuation of the state of Connecticut is in progress. Please do not use your telephones, as phone lines should be kept open for emergency purposes. Local authorities in your area have issued an immediate evacuation of the state of Connecticut. This message will repeat in 30 seconds.